We all rely on our trusty kitchen essentials, but a cool gadget can add some fun to cooking. In this video, we'll share 17 useful kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Let's get started. This versatile rack features a detachable two-tier design, complete with a utensil holder and cup rack, providing ample space for all your tableware, from dishes and plates to pots and pans. Say goodbye to waterlogged countertops. The innovative auto-draining drain board includes central drainage holes and a 360-degree rotatable swivel spout, ensuring water flows directly into your sink. Position it perfectly to suit your kitchen layout. Built to last, this dish rack is crafted from premium carbon steel with a white powder finish. The sturdy construction easily bears the weight of all your kitchenware. This silicone mat isn't just a splash guard, it's a multifunctional sink organizer. Featuring a unique spliced design, this set includes a central splash guard and 2 soap dispenser holders. Use them together or separately to suit your sink layout, whether your faucet is centered or off to one side. The latest 5-degree slope design ensures faster water drainage and quicker drying, keeping your sink area clean and hygienic. Plus, the adjustable faucet hole can be tailored up to 2.7 inches, fitting a wide range of faucet sizes. This premium colander features a fine mesh net strainer basket and expandable rubber grip handles, extending from 14-inch to 21 inches to fit most sinks. Crafted for convenience, this colander can rest over or in your sink, freeing your hands for other tasks. The mirror-finished wide rim and resting feet provide stability, while the rust-proof fine mesh keeps its shape during use. With a generous 6-quart capacity and a 13-inch by 9-inch basket, this colander handles most straining, draining, rinsing, sieving, sifting, and filtering tasks with ease. The concave mesh net efficiently catches and strains even small ingredients. Crafted from thickened ABS material, this organizer offers superior stability and load-bearing capacity compared to ordinary plastic. The stainless steel support tubing ensures rust resistance in moisture-prone areas. No more bending or searching. Items are easily accessible with a simple slide. The upgraded design prevents derailment, keeping your items secure as you access them. Its height-adjustable feature, ranging from 13.1 to 17.05 inch, ensures a perfect fit, regardless of your cabinet's dimensions. Transform your cabinet space in minutes with this intuitive, easy-to-assemble organizer. Simply choose your preferred setup, slide in the dividers, and you're done. Designed for versatility, this adjustable rack fits all your cookware. The extended U-shaped groove accommodates lids of all sizes, while customizable dividers can organize up to 8 pieces. Say goodbye to messy cabinets and hello to an orderly kitchen. Built to last, this organizer features a thickened wire frame made of heavy-duty iron. It boasts unshakable stability, supporting up to 55 pounds without wobbling, even when accessed from one side. Each bowl comes with a clear plastic cover, making it easy to identify contents at a glance. Whether you're prepping herbs, chopping vegetables, or storing leftover sauces, these bowls have you covered. Crafted from durable, lightweight plastic, these bowls are perfect for on-the-go use. Pack side dishes, dressings, or sauces for picnics or potlucks with ease. Storage is a breeze with these nesting bowls. When not in use, they stack neatly inside each other, saving valuable cabinet space. Built to last, these robust trays withstand long-term freezer storage without breaking. Say goodbye to disposable trays and hello to durable, cost-effective ice making. Removing ice is a breeze with the TPE material and wider bottom design. Each cube compartment is separate, allowing for easy release with a simple push. No more awkward twisting or struggling, just perfect cubes every time. Fill them with water, fruits, or your favorite beverages to create custom-flavored ice. When you're done, simply pop them in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. These innovative liners absorb excess moisture from fruits and vegetables, extending their freshness. They're not just for fridges. Use them to protect furniture from spills, scratches, and sticky messes too. Featuring non-slip silicone dots on the back, These liners stay firmly in place without sliding or curling. The non-stick fabric surface prevents items from shifting around, keeping everything neat and tidy. Each pack includes 6 12 by 24-inch liners that are easy to trim for a custom fit. Use them in kitchen cabinets, on glass shelves, in drawers, cupboards, wire shelves, or pantries. Discover the Lekue Veggie Ricer, your gateway to healthier, more versatile meals. This kitchen tool transforms cauliflower, broccoli, and other vegetables into a delicious rice alternative. In just a few simple steps, create nutritious veggie rice, perfect as a side dish or base for sauces, beans, and stir-fries. It's ideal for gluten-free, paleo, or any nutrition-focused diet. Using the veggie ricer is effortless. Just place your chopped vegetables inside, secure the lid, and twist the two parts in opposite directions. Remove the lid, and voila! Perfectly riced veggies ready to cook and enjoy. This mat features a unique ribbed design with raised edges, promoting quick drying and preventing water accumulation on your counters. Heat-resistant up to 450 degrees, it's perfect for hot kitchen items or even as a safe spot for hairstyling tools. Crafted from food-grade waterproof silicone, it ensures a faster drying experience and is completely food-safe for all your utensils. Unlike traditional microfiber mats, this silicone mat dries quickly and is dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Its generous 16 by 12-inch size accommodates a variety of items, from bowls and dishes to mugs and utensils. This versatile organizer features a plastic perforated tray, perfect for humid environments like bathrooms. Designed with convenience in mind, it includes a sliding basket for easy access in tight spaces. The bold weaved basket design adds a touch of style to functionality. Maximize your storage with 2 drawers, complete with dividers. It's ideal for organizing kitchens, bathrooms, and storage rooms. Create more space in cabinets, pantries, or even open areas. Assembly is a breeze. No drills or power tools required. Simply put it together and start enjoying a more organized living space. Featuring elegant gold handles with built-in heat diffusers, this set adds a touch of sophistication while ensuring comfortable, cool grips during cooking. Crafted with premium construction, each piece is durable yet lightweight, designed to exceed expectations at any skill level. The eco-friendly Gen 10 Duralon Blue ceramic coating offers superior non-stick performance without harmful chemicals, ensuring safe cooking for you and your family. Experience the exceptional hardness of Generation 10 ceramic, rated at 9H. This coating resists abrasion, corrosion, and acid, maintaining its non-stick properties and appearance over time. It heats evenly and releases food effortlessly. This large basket is perfect for family meals or entertaining, allowing you to cook more food at once. Experience even cooking with the elevated mesh design. It ensures 360-degree heat circulation, eliminating the need for flipping and delivering perfectly browned results without excess oil. Keep your oven clean with the included air fryer tray. It catches grease and food particles, making it ideal for roasting meats, vegetables, and reheating leftovers. The easy grip handles ensure safe and convenient removal from the oven. Crafted from high-quality, 6mm thick stainless steel, this set resists high temperatures and corrosion. This D-shaped design maximizes space in wall-mounted cabinets, fridges, or pantries by fitting flush against doors. Experience easy access to your spices with the revolving 2-tier system. A simple spin brings items from deep inside wall-mounted cabinets right to your fingertips, preventing spills and making selection effortless. Customize your storage with adjustable tier heights. Choose from 4 different settings to accommodate various spice jar sizes, keeping everything neatly organized and easily accessible. These tongs feature a convenient locking clip for secure storage and a non-stick, corrosion-resistant, and odor-resistant design. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, with a brushed finish, these tongs offer durability and style. The non-slip surface ensures optimal control when handling food. Available in 2 sizes, 12-inch tongs, perfect for grilling, keeping your hands safely away from the heat, and 9-inch tongs ideal for everyday cooking and serving. Featuring innovative pull ring technology and non-detachable silicone heads, these tongs prevent accidental opening and closing, giving you better control during use. Add comfort and style to your kitchen with FRESHMINT kitchen mats. These mats feature a timeless buffalo plaid design in a neutral color palette, bringing a touch of rustic charm to any home. The modern farmhouse aesthetic effortlessly blends contemporary style with classic elegance, making it versatile for various decor styles. But these mats aren't just about looks, they're designed for comfort too. The anti-fatigue cushioning provides unparalleled support, allowing you to stand comfortably at the sink or stove for hours. This extra-large rack can accommodate up to 40 utensils, making it perfect for well-equipped kitchens. Its 4-compartment design allows for easy sorting and quick access to your cooking tools. The fully open structure ensures excellent ventilation, promoting quick drying and preventing mold. Crafted from rust-proof metal with a matte black finish, this holder is not only durable, but also adds a modern farmhouse touch to your kitchen decor. The sealed bottom prevents leaks, while 4 anti-slip beads keep it firmly in place, protecting your countertop from scratches.